So how do you turn on or off the iPhone flashlight? So there are actually more ways you can make that work. So the first one would be when you swipe down or happen to be at the lock screen like this. By default, we have the two buttons in the bottom portion of the display, and by default it is selected to camera and a flashlight. So you can hold it down on the flashlight like this, and you can see that you can control it, right? You can manage it and so on, but this is like the easiest way to enable it, and by default a lot of people have it set up this way, so definitely give it a try. But there are of course more ways you can access it. A lot of people also like to put it into the control center like that, and I also have the flashlight toggle in here, right? So that's another way to enable or disable the flashlight. If you don't see it in here, just go to the edit mode by holding down on the buttons, click on add a control, and make sure you bring the flashlight into the control center so you can easily access it anytime you want. And lastly, if you mean LED flash notifications, I mean that the phone like lights up next to the camera using the flash whenever you receive a notification, this can be found inside of the settings. When you proceed to accessibility, find the vision section. So it is part of this section of the audio and visual, and at the bottom we have the flash for alerts, and you can literally enable the flash, but specifically for receiving calls, notifications, and so on. So that is something you can control as well. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you later in the future uploads.